In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations on your Wix website. If you want a simple and effective way to start collecting donations, using a PayPal donate button inside Wix is one of the easiest options available. This method is especially helpful if you already have a PayPal account and you want a quick, standalone donation button without having to set up or manage full donation campaigns directly through Wix. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the different features and content blocks you can place on your site. From there, find the PayPal option and choose Button. Then select PayPal Buttons and drag the Donate button onto your page. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors. For example, many people add it to a home page, a dedicated support page, or a section that explains their mission. Try to position it somewhere visible so visitors can easily find it when they're ready to contribute. After placing the button, click on it and open the Settings panel. Here, you will need to enter the email address connected to your PayPal account. Make sure this is the correct account you want donations to be sent to. Since this is sensitive information, double-check it in your own Wix setup, but avoid sharing it publicly outside the settings area. Next, add your organization information so donors understand who they are supporting. This helps make the donation experience feel more trustworthy and clear. A well-labeled donation button can improve confidence and reduce confusion for visitors. You'll then choose how you want donations to work. If you prefer to keep things simple, you can set a fixed donation amount. On the other hand, if you want to give supporters more flexibility, turn on the option that allows visitors to type in their own custom amount. Custom amounts can be useful because different supporters may want to give at different levels. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish your website. Publishing is the final step that makes the donation button live and available to your visitors. Before sharing your site, it's also a good idea to preview the page and make sure the button looks right and is placed clearly. That's it. Thanks for watching.